close to him.
Graba otra vez.
Ya.
It's almost out. Keep it in the water.
Oh, he's bleeding.
That's fine.
Pobrecito.
Te cuidas con el teléfono.
Here, better.
What happened?
Here, grab the pliers. Just rip it out. Just get it, put it close, bring it out. Bring it out close to him.
Hold on, get it because the pliers are stuck in the line.
Oh, great.
Robin. Chao.
Échale un poquito en el agua para que no se te vaya a morir.
Justin, can you help me out here? Because I only got 2 hands.
What do you want? Alright. Or just cut the line.
Cut the line.
Pull it out and cut the line. No, not the hook, the line.
Now you stop and take it out.
That's fine.
Let it go.
Mire.
Pobrecito, Pedri.
Vamos, chiquitico, dale, nada. Sorry, I cut the hook, man. I got you a new hook now.
Mira, tío, te están llamando.
That's it.
Ya, para, ya, para.